is poppin', Dope Nation? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and I'm so excited to be finally bringing you guys this upload. I know you guys have been waiting for this video, and you guys took a vote on my community tab, and you said you wanted to see these boho goddess box braids, and so I'm bringing these to you guys today. I asked my girl Jay to pull up and model for me in this video. She actually has her own YouTube channel as well, so make sure you guys head on over there to see how she styled these Bohemian box braids. She did a separate video on that, and it's bomb, so make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. And so today for my parting, I'm going to be using Hicks Total Transformations to define my parts, and I am using the rubber band method. This is something that she requested, and I also love to do it because it's super neat. And because I've already posted a Bohemian Goddess box braid tutorial on my channel already, this one won't be as detailed just because I don't want to be super repetitive on my channel, but you can go ahead and click the top right section of this video if you are a beginner and you want a more in-depth tutorial. My first tutorial really kind of breaks down each step for you guys, so go ahead and check that out. Alright, so y'all know I like to lace y'all with fire music in my videos. I cannot stand boring ass music in my videos, and I'm super excited to share this song with you guys because my boyfriend is actually a musician and he made a song for me. It's called Brianna's Song, and if you guys didn't know, my name is Brianna. Hey, hi, nice to meet you. And yeah, I was like freaking shook. I was like, he really made a song for me. I was like, oh my god, he loves me. So I want you guys to let me know what you guys think about the song in the description section below. If you're like, sis, you should marry him right now, or if you like, nah sis, it's time to break up, I need to know. So let me know if you guys love the song. I was literally like, oh my god, like, you love me, love me. I don't know if you guys seen us together. I just posted a vlog of us in Texas. Like, we are freaking hilarious together. So also go ahead and check that out too. But yeah, I'ma just drop that heat, that fire on y'all and let y'all vibe out to this song.
I don't wanna lose your love, no, no. I don't wanna lose your love, your love. All I ask of you is love me forever and always. I don't wanna lose your love. I don't wanna lose your love, your love. All I need is someone like you. You're special. I know you're everything and more. That's right. I notice all things about you. You love to laugh your life away, love to dance your nights away. Wanna catch my vibe, yeah. Wanna give you my mind, yeah. And I see the silver lining in everything that we find. Everything shows in time, it's so designed. I know the small things about you, and I know that you know I love you.
Who shed a tear? I see y'all over there crying. Ah, oh my god, wasn't that like the cutest thing ever, guys? if you guys like the song, I'm going to make sure I link it in the description section. Make sure you guys check out his SoundCloud. He has a lot of other bomb music. But you know, every time you hit play on this song, think of me, okay? So yeah, anyways, back to the video. So I'm adding in the human hair in random spots in the braid. I'm actually going to be adding it in towards the end of the braid, and that's how you get the bohemian look, is by adding it to random places in the braid. And I'm adding it towards the top, and I'm also adding it towards the bottom because this human hair is actually only 16 inches, and I wanted to give the illusion that it was longer than that, so that there's hair hanging from the top to the bottom. So that's why you can see on some of the braids that I previously did, I added in those random pieces like higher up, and on this braid I'm actually adding them in lower. And then on all the braids I'm going to be putting the human hair at the ends to give it kind of like that goddess box braid look. This is a wet and wavy hair, so it is 100% human hair, and as soon as you spray it, it gives you like a spirally curl. So in my last tutorial, I told you guys I wanted to try a different braiding hair that would give me a spiral curly look. And only complaint about this hair is that it was only 16 inches. They didn't have it in 18 inches, and I definitely wanted it to be a lot longer than it was. But as far as the curl pattern, I think it was bomb. I actually love the way that it turned out. You guys can kind of see it sits beautifully, and I do like to spray it as I go, just so I can kind of get like the real effect of what I'm doing. To attach my box braids, I'm using the 2-strand method, and if you guys need more methods to attach your box braids, because this method don't work for you, I showed you guys how to do 7 different methods, and I will link that video in the description section for you guys.
I don't wanna lose your love, no, no. I don't wanna lose your love, your love. All I ask of you.
When I was done with the box braids, I actually didn't dip it in hot water this time. I know in my last tutorial I had dipped it, and I showed you guys how it kind of messed up the hair. And this is 100% human hair, and it actually can be dipped because Jay dipped it about a week after she got it done. She wrapped them in perm rods and dipped it to give it like a more curly look, and she said it turned out popping. So you definitely can dip it, but in this video I didn't, because y'all, I just have nightmares about dipping these now. I'm like, I don't got time to go back and do these ends again. And that's what I had to do in my last video. So if you want like a kind of trial and error video, I would definitely say go check that one out. Like I said, it's a lot more detailed than this one. I just hate to be super repetitive on my channel, and you guys know that. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to do one more braid, and then I'm gonna finish this style up.
I know you're everything and more. That's right. I notice all things about you. You love to laugh your life away, love to dance your nights away. Wanna catch my vibe, yeah. Wanna give you my mind, yeah. And I see the silver lining in everything that we find. Everything shows in time, it's all designed. I know the small things about you, and I know that you know I love you. I love you.
So yeah guys, this here's my finished look. I went ahead and added some hair jewelry, some clips, and this is what we are left with. And guys, I think it looks so bomb. I love it. And like I said, this is my friend Jay. She actually has her own YouTube channel, and she is styling these braids on her channel. So if you guys would like to see some different things that you guys can do with your Bohemian box braids, make sure you guys go ahead and click the link and check her channel out. Y'all, I don't even want to tell y'all how long this video video took me. Like, we were having too much fun. I know you see her move it in the video. It's like we were just cracking up all freaking night. Like, I can't right now. So it did typically take me longer than it usually would, but this style for this size, I would say would typically take me about 4 hours to do. It does take a little bit longer because you're adding in the hair, so just remember that, like, if you're planning to do these, it's going to be a little bit longer than you would do your regular box braids. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Everything that you guys need will be linked in the description section, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!